Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to set your home city location information on your Casio Pathfinder Module 2805 watch. That's what I've got here. This video would also work if you have the 2632. If you've watched my videos in the past on this watch, I've walked you through how to set the time. I've got my time set correctly, my time and my date are set correctly, but if you don't have your home site data or your home city data set correctly, your moon phase, your hunt and fish indicator, and your sunrise and sunset values will be off. So we want to make sure we adjust this. This is also something that you're going to have to adjust at least part of it if you're somebody like me that observes daylight savings time. Whenever we go into summertime, one of these adjustments will have to go adjust. So the way we're going to do this is, again, my time is set correctly. We need to adjust my home city data. I'm going to press and hold the adjust button while I'm in my timekeeping mode on the watch. It's the top button on the left-hand side. After a couple seconds, you'll see a blinking indicator. It's going to be your seconds, and that lets you know that you're in the settings mode for the watch. Now again, if I needed to adjust the time, we would do some things in here. In my case, my time is correct, my date is correct. What I need to do is press the adjust button one time, and that's going to take me to my GMT differential. If you're somebody like me that observes daylight savings time in the summertime, you're going to reduce this by an hour. In non-summer time, you're going to have to increase this by an hour. Mine is off. You can look on the internet, you can look on the Casio website to get your value, but mine is showing the summertime differential. I need to adjust this to -6.0 or -6 hours. I can use either the top button on the right-hand side or the bottom button on the right-hand side. Bottom button is going to move me down. Top button will increase my value. And I've got my GMT differential set at -6.0. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to press the mode button, and that will take me to my latitude and longitude value. The top is going to be your latitude, the bottom is going to be your longitude. Again, you can look on the internet or the Casio website to figure out what your values need to be. For my latitude, I need to be at 30 degrees north. Now you'll notice when I start pressing the top button, it will adjust that. If I press the bottom button, it doesn't adjust my latitude, it adjusts my longitude. The top button is going to be for your latitude. The bottom button is going to be for your longitude. Now I could press and hold the top button and just let it go all the way around until I get to 30 degrees north. You'll notice again as I'm pressing it, it's increasing. If you press the middle button on the right hand side, it will toggle that. So instead of this going up, it goes down, which is kind of a cool feature. So you don't have to sit there and go the long way. You can pick whichever direction you want to go and adjust it according. Got my latitude set correctly. Now I need to look at my longitude. My longitude is set for 140 degrees to the east. I need to go to 95 degrees to the west. So I'm going to be using the bottom button here, and I'm going to press and hold until I get to the value I need. And we said I need 95 degrees west. So let's keep going. Probably should have gone the other direction. Yeah, we should be there pretty quick. Again, you don't have to worry about slowing down because you can always adjust which direction this is going. I'm getting pretty close. Perfect. 30 degrees north latitude, 95 degrees west longitude. I now have my GMT differential set correctly. I have my latitude and longitude set correctly. I'm totally done with my settings. I'm going to press the adjust button one time, and we've successfully adjusted our GMT differential, latitude and longitude, which is basically our home site data. Now if I look, we're going to wait here for a couple seconds. It'll basically reset itself. You can see it did that now. My moon phase has now been updated, and my hunt and fish values have been updated. If we went into the world time mode, my world time values would also be accurate. Pretty simple stuff. That's how we adjust our home site data on the Pathfinder 2805 or 2632. I hope the video helped.